Hey screen printers, in this video we're going to use the s.roque Eco XL screen printing press, the automatic press that ROQ carries here in the US, to actually set up a job. So we're going to be doing a test print using the Solid Screen 156 mesh, Meteor white ink, and showing how that process works on the s.roque. So the cool thing about setup on the s.roque, you don't even have to go to the actual color screen. You can actually do everything from the head. So I can move this palette into the print position. I already have it flooded. I can put that down into print and go ahead and stroke that. So if I want to bring that up again, I can. I can half step back. Take a look at our first hit. So we need to make a couple modifications here. One of the modifications being we need to probably put a little bit more pressure on our blade and make sure it clears out all the way. So there we have our angle. We can put a little bit more angle up on our blade right there. And then pressure up here. You also have your distance to play with. So then I come over here and I hit the print or squeegee forward and back position to send that back. And if we take a look at the screen, our 160 mesh is cleared nicely, giving us a good print to play with. So that took 2 passes with that current squeegee. It's a 70 durometer squeegee. Typically when going with white, we go a little bit more and use either a triple durometer blade or maybe a Smiling Jack blade. So now I can take a look at it. Everything looks good, but we need to send the press to flash so we can do another hit. So I'll send that back over here. Then by using the send palette feature, we simply hit the send palette button, which triggers the lights at the top of the press flashing, and then I can come over to my flash station if, let's say, your flash station wasn't in your second head, and then send the palette directly to the flash, and then go ahead and flash. We can make sure we're flashed or flashing for the proper amount of time once our flash is done by sending it to the half step position. We're all good there. So then we can send it back to the flash position. Once we've confirmed we're flashed, we're going to come back over here to this position, send the palette back over here, and then do our second print stroke. So we'll flood up and then print back. Just 1 pass is needed there. Up and then back. We'll do a final test. Everything looks solid and good. And now we can start production on this job. So very quick and easy to set up and test jobs using some of the palette controls and then also the head controls without actually having to use the control panel.